Hello boys and girls, it's phonics time, and today our lesson objective is I can identify the middle letter sounds in the simple words. So here you can see 6 pictures, and today we are going to identify the middle sound. So look over here. What sound does this letter make? E, E, E. Remember, not the letter name. Yes, the letter name is I. But what sound does it make? E, 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 E. What sound does this letter make? E, E. So now look at the first picture. We can see that someone did bite the apple. Bite, beat, beat. When you say beat, what sound do you hear in the middle? So the first one, let's do together so you will know what is expected. So I want you to write the whole word under each picture. So here is beat, b, e, t, b, e, e, t, beat. Now let's look at the next picture. 10, 10. What is the middle sound? Middle. So on the first picture, the middle sound is E. Middle, something in the middle. Not the first, not the last, but the middle one, the second one. But it. Now 10. T. And I want you to stretch this word and listen to each sound. Say it out loud and listen. T. And if you said then you are right. So then write it down. T and 10. Let's go to the next picture. Hit. E, t, hit. Write it down. E, t, hit. The next one is sit. Sit. What sound do you hear in the middle? What is the middle sound? S, E, T. Remember the sound, not the letter name. The sound. S, E, T. Sit. Okay, the next one is pen. P, E, M. P, E, M. Pen. And the last one is pit. E, E, T, pit. Remember to write all of those words and send them to your teacher.